welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4, guys. I'm happy you're here. I'm happy I'm here. I was practicing my blooming earlier, and I wasn't recording because I was practicing bloom transfers and just kind of playing. And when I was all done, it was just nothing to save because I bloomed on one side, I transferred on another. I was just practicing on this wood cradle board, and I really like the colors that I use. So what I did was I thinned them down a little bit by using my Golden Gak 800 and a little bit of water to get them to the swiping consistency. So hopefully that will work out really good, and we're gonna do kind of like a sunflowery kind of design on this wood round. I have my base coat mixed up. It is right here. It is Artist Loft Soft Body Acrylics, which is not a soft body anymore. This stuff is twice as thick as it used to be, and that makes me a little bit sad. Right here, I don't have the bottle. This is some leftover cell activator. It's Amsterdam lamp black mixed with the Aussie Floetrol. 1 part paint to 3 parts Aussie Floetrol. This right here is yummy. It's this little Piggy, and it is their Lilly Pad. I got some new Piggies in the mail, and they make me smile. So I'm trying some new colors. This is yummy right here. That is this little Piggy. And that is their Emerald. Right here is Golden Fluids in the Turquoise. One of my favorite colors right there. This is beauteous. This is this little Piggy, and that is their Prenite. You're getting our blues and greens on, and this is glorious, but it becomes more glorious once it is dry. This is the new Stuck Up Pigs, and this is their Boastful. But this, oh my goodness, guys, it's like a color shift with blues and greens, and it's just absolutely yummy. So I'm gonna swipe. I'm swiping today. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use. Here's my little swiping plate. I got some damp paper towels. I've got some Tracie Reed swiping tools that I love. This one has a round edge. This is one of her older ones. Sorry, Tracie, it's so dirty, but I don't care. This has a square bottom, different sizes. This has got a little round tip. So we're just gonna fiddle. I'm gonna have a black center, pour my colors around it, and we're gonna swipe from the center out. So I'm excited. We're playing, and you might see a little sunlight come across here because the sun is getting ready to go down, and my windows here in the studio catch just the corner of it until I get some blinds, but I don't want blinds. But then the sun gets in my eyes and it's very hard to see. Thanks for being here, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
to live without your love. It's like I've been waiting around for you. Why did you take so long to come to me? Maybe you were waiting round for me too. So